Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing your niche to a specific audience. This makes promotion easier and conversions higher. Once chosen, set up one platform, blog, channel, or page, and publish 3 cornerstone pieces right away. This creates an indexed footprint. Next, join 2 to 3 affiliate programs, including one direct merchant, so you have different commission structures. Make sure to get tracking ID and note dashboard access. These first steps prime you for measurable tests and quick wins. Now build content that converts. Write a review, a how-to, and a comparison for the same product so you cover intent and capture buyers. While creating, apply basic SEO, clear titles, meta descriptions, and internal links to get free traffic over time. Once you have posts, split traffic tests between organic promotion and small paid campaigns. Run ads at $5 to $20 per day to learn cost per acquisition. Then, track clicks and conversions so you can iterate on what actually finish by optimizing winners. Double down on content that converts and a /B test calls to action and headlines to lift rates. Once conversions are stable, scale with funnels, capture emails, set up retargeting, and expand into 1 or 2 additional channels to diversify risk. Make sure to reinvest a percentage of profits into top ads and content. If things go wrong, check tracking pixels, cookie durations, and merchant restrictions first. Fixing those usually restores accurate conversion reporting and revenue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.